Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chorizo burritos. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of delicious fresh chorizo sausage, 6 large eggs, and 8 large flour tortillas. Don't forget 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, like Monterey Jack or cheddar, and a tasty salsa for serving. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring you can quickly assemble your delicious burritos. Now let's get cooking. In a large skillet, brown your 1 pound of chorizo over medium heat, breaking it up as it cooks. Once it's fully cooked, drain off any excess fat, leaving just about 2 tablespoons in the pan for flavor. Then, pour in your 6 whisked eggs and scramble them until they are just set and fluffy. Finally, combine the savory chorizo with the scrambled eggs, mixing them well to create a flavorful filling for your burritos. With our delicious filling ready, it's time to assemble these amazing burritos. First, warm your 8 large flour tortillas slightly. This makes them more pliable and easier to roll. Spoon about 1/2 cup of the chorizo and egg mixture onto the center of each tortilla. Then, sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons of your shredded cheese over the filling. Carefully fold in the sides of the tortilla, then roll it tightly from the bottom up to create a perfect, portable meal. And there you have it, your incredible chorizo burritos are ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately while they are warm and fresh. You can offer a variety of toppings like your favorite salsa, a dollop of sour cream, or some fresh avocado slices to enhance the flavors. These versatile burritos are perfect for a hearty breakfast, a quick lunch, or even a satisfying dinner. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.